Okay, guys, island. Island is 47 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and this would be the new face. I know we had the trash compactor that we drug out, but this is the new face. Drawer, drawer, door, door, adjustable shelf in here. These are slab, so I have to order 2 new doors for here, order 2 new drawer or doors here, drawers here. Do a raised panel on the side, raised panel on the back, which will be split. So a raised panel here and here, and raised panel on this side. The cabinet is 31 tall, 4 inches off the ground. This rail here is 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. The middle one, I know it's tough to see. 2 inches, about a ½ inch overlay, because your drawers are 6 inches tall. So this opening is 5 inches tall, so we'll have the same 6-inch tall drawer, but a whole new island, and this is the design of it. 47, 20 inches deep. Toe kick will be in 1 inch on the back and in 2 inches on the front. That's not quite to scale for the toe kick. The bar, I had it drawn a little bit narrower because I know this was pretty tight when I was out on the boat with you guys, but I made it to the same size you gave me. The only thing that we can salvage, I believe, are these drawers. Redo those because you had 13 and 3/8 or 5/16. I came up with 13 and 5/16. So these 3 drawers can be salvaged. Same thing as the bar. 31 tall, sits on a 4-inch tall toe kick. That's how deep it's going to be from the back of the cabinet to the front of the face frame. And then the doors and drawers will be 3/4 of an inch deeper. Have to buy a new drawer, door, and I mean, we could do a raised panel on the side here. You have all that electrical coming in here. That should not be an issue. If we look at it in this mode, that is the back of the drawer. So we have a little bit of wiggle room for that loom. But this is what I've got for the island. Overall, it's 56 1/4, and it's 1/4 inch off the wall, so 56 1/2 wide. And then you'll add 1.5 inches for the countertop. Let me know. Thanks.